Today we are going to be unboxing a brand new Pokemon Prismatic Evolutions Elite Trainer box. This thing is super hard to find, people are scalping it for insane prices, and I know this isn't the typical type of content that I do on this channel, but I recently got back into Pokemon and I am just super excited to open this thing up. This set specifically has been super hyped up, everyone is going crazy about it, and Pokemon itself has had a huge resurgence over the last few years, and I feel like a lot of people in the tech community have gotten really into Pokemon recently as well. I'm just super excited to open this thing up because Eevee and all the Eevee evolutions and all that is some of my favorite parts of Pokemon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the box and then open up some packs. Okay, so here's the box. The front art looks really good. We've got the Prismatic Evolutions logo, the Pokemon logo, and then an image of Eevee. We'll flip it over to the side here. And there's the back, it shows you everything that comes inside, and then you also get an Eevee promo card. Here is the top, and there's the bottom. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's slide the cover off. Okay, so first things first, you get your player's guide. So it's going to have like images of all of the cards and everything. And then we have a cool image here of Jolteon, Flareon, and Vaporeon. So yeah, we get all the cool cards. And then if we look at the back, that's where all the big hits are. I really want to get that Jolteon and the Umbreon. I know it's going to be extremely difficult and damn near impossible, but who knows, maybe we even pull it in today's video. So yeah, there's the player's guide. Really cool artwork on the front. Now on to the ETB. So you can see that same image of Eevee is there. We'll slide that off. Inside, we'll take out the little cardboard insert. So inside, we get the die for the card game. It looks pretty cool. It's like Eevee colors, and then we get an EX dice on the right side there. Then we get our coins. And now on to some of the good stuff. So we get the promo card of Eevee. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here are the dividers. I think it looks really nice. You've got all of the Eevee evolutions, and then on the other side we've got Eevee. It looks really cool with a nice metallic shine to it. So we get a bunch of dividers, and then here is the promo card. So that Eevee looks really nice. The card itself looks like it's in pretty good condition. I actually opened up another ETB on my movie channel, and the top of the card was really damaged, so I'm happy with the condition of this one. Put this into a sleeve right away. Then inside we get some energy cards. Then we get some really nice sleeves for the cards itself. So I'll take one out just so you guys can see a little bit better here. You can see they fixed it. It used to have a cloudy, clear plastic here. Now it is absolutely clear, so you can see your cards a lot better. And then here is the back. This looks really good. Super shiny. The artwork looks fantastic. And if you're a fan of Eevee, I think you're going to really like this sleeve. So you get a bunch of those in here. Now on to the packs. We've got 9 packs in total to open. I'm really hoping we can maybe get like a God pack or something. I know there's like a 0.001% chance, but hey, it could happen. Who knows? Let's go ahead and get started here with pack number 1. Now, I'm really hoping we get some good cards here because the last ETB I opened, I only got 1 EX card. It was absolutely terrible. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started here. So we've got Dracloak, Duraludon, Black Belt's Training. We've got Bronzor, Techno Radar, Diplin, Glass Trumpet. We've got a Pokeball. I can't pronounce that name. That happened to me in my other videos too, but a Pokeball card. Then we've got a Reverse Holo Vaporeon. Really like the artwork there. And then we've got a Roaring Moon. And then just a Steel Energy. So, pretty good there. Like, decent start. Not terrible, not great. Let's move on to pack number 2. Now, hopefully the luck is starting to kick up now and can get some good cards in the second pack. Professor's Research, Dusclops, Dunsparce, Houndour, Carmine, Professor Sada's Vitality. We've got Suicune, Reverse Holo Executor, Reverse Holo Pyroar, and an Espeon, and then just a basic energy. So not great on the second pack there. Move on to pack number 3. Another thing I want to point out, the artwork on these packs is really good. This is my favorite one, the one in my left hand with Jolteon, one of my favorite Pokemons. But yeah, the pack art on all of them looks really nice. But let's go on to pack number 3. All right. I feel like we're going to get a Jolteon EX. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like I'm going to pull that. Budew, Bunnyary, Hippowdon. We've got Heatran, Explorer's Guidance, Shaman, Reverse Holo Noctowl, Reverse Holo Whimsicott, and a Full Art Trainer Ortega. That's a good card. So that's a nice pull there on the third pack. Put that on the top, and then I'll put these to the side, and we'll move on to the next one. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Full Art Trainer looks really cool. This is my favorite pack art. Let's go ahead and open that one, if I can get it. Some of these open so easy, and some of them are so difficult. I don't know what it is, but whatever. Let's continue. We've got Applin, Goldeen, Hoot Hoot. I think I saw something. I don't know. Amorous. We've got Bronzong, Ogre's Mask, Earthen Vessel, and a Scoot Up Cyclone. Nice. Okay, Techno Radar, and a Dunsparce. Okay, and then we've got a holographic Water Energy. Not bad. So we've got a Full Art Trainer, a Spec, and then we'll continue on. We've got what, 4 or 5 left? Holy smokes, we got a good amount left. We could pull something crazy if I can open these packs. Oh my days. Finally. All right. Something good's coming. I know it. I have a feeling. Let's go. We've got Pinsir, Larvitar, Houndour, Dusclops, Professor Turo's Scenario, Slowking, Janine's Secret Art, Professor Sada's Vitality. We've got Lopunny, Reverse Holo. We've got Monkey Dory, Fire Energy. Damn, I was not feeling it. Okay, whatever. We still got more packs. Let's continue on. Now, if you're someone who's planning on getting back into Pokemon like me, I highly recommend it. There's so many good sets out right now. It's just so fun to open up packs and, you know, start a collection. And that's why I'm enjoying the hobby again. So, Furfrou, Riolu, Friends in Paldea. We've got Lopunny, Diplin. No idea how to say that. Heatran. Ooh, Friends in Paldea, Vaporeon, and a Basic Energy. So, nothing crazy. And then an Applin as well. So, nothing crazy on that pack. We've got 3 left. Really hoping something crazy happens in this video. Come on, give me something good. Okay, we've got Sneasel, Execute, Larry Skill, Dunsparce, Bug Catching Set, Pyroar, Earthen Vessel. Oh, okay, we've got a Pokeball Bunnyary. We've got Maniacs, Code Breaking, Leafeon, and an Energy. Okay, so we're not doing too great. We got 2 packs left, though, so anything can happen. And both of them are my favorite pack artwork, so, you know, hopefully can pull something. All right, here we go. Second last pack. Dreepy, Militank, Professor's Research, Aromatisse, Rescue Board, Professor Turo's Scenario, Shaman, Okidogi, Spritzy, and a Jolteon. Okay. You know, I'll settle for that. It's one of my favorite Pokemons. Not an EX or anything, but happy to get a Jolteon. Last pack. Oh boy. We have not been doing too good. So I'm really hoping there's something good in this one to make it up. Let's go. Last pack magic. Let's go. Larvitar, Black Belt's Training, Execute, Sneasel, Techno Radar, Festival Grounds, Great Tusk, Pupitar, Militank, Fluttermane, and a Psychic Energy. Damn. Not the greatest pulls, to be honest. So yeah, not the greatest pulls. We've got 3 different Pokeball cards. We've got an A-Spec, we've got a Full Art Trainer, and then I just put Jolteon in the hit list because I just like Jolteon. So yeah, not the greatest pulls, not even a single EX, which is pretty crazy. I know everyone is saying that the pull rate on Prismatic Evolutions is really bad, and honestly, I kind of agree. But it is still fun to open up the new products, and then hopefully, you know, you can pull some good cards. I know know it's pretty much just gambling with cardboard, but still, you still got a chance to hit something crazy one day, and who knows, maybe I end up pulling a god pack in my next one, or at least that's what I hope. So guys, there you have it. That was my unboxing of the Pokemon Prismatic Evolutions Elite Trainer Box. It's a really great item. Unfortunately, I didn't really pull any heat today, but the promo card is nice and all the accessories that come in the box. Now, like I said, I just recently got back into the hobby, but it's a ton of fun, and if you're someone like me that grew up watching the show, collecting the cards, I highly recommend to get back into it. It is just a ton of fun to open up cards, collect, you know, trade with friends. It's just a lot of fun, and who knows, maybe I start uploading a lot more Pokemon videos on this channel too, along with my tech stuff. I don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait and see, but for now, let me know what you guys thought about the ETB down below in the comments, and also let me know if you're a fan of Pokemon and are collecting. It's going to be super tough to find Prismatic Evolutions products, but hopefully they do some reprints and it's a lot more accessible for people, but for now, it is just super hard to find. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more Pokemon related content, make sure you comment on this video and let me know. Other than that, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.